All right, guys, another 5.2 earthquake. Molucca Sea, USGS, EMSC. Hong Kong said it was a 5.4. We've also had a 4.5 Molucca Sea at 21.7 miles in depth. So USGS had that 5.2 to 4.9 Molucca Sea at 39.7 miles in depth. Then USGS upgraded that to a 5.2. All right, guys, that's what I've got. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't know what's going on in the Molucca Sea. I'm going to check and see how close that is to a volcano. Whoops, there's something else. Another 4.3, same region. I can't get the depth right now. All right, I'll put the depth into the description box.